got it. Oh, she live at the party. Popping angles on the film. And my Chanel. Views been going up. We just got an M. She just bought it beans.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I will be refreshing my wash and go and showing you how to define your curls after, you know, they done collected a little bit of frizz over the first couple of days. So if you guys are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. I love doing this on like day 3, day 4 hair once my hair gets like a lot of frizz. And so I wanted to come on here and show you guys like an updated how I refresh my wash and go, because I use a few new techniques that I really like, one of which is the praying hands method, or the rubs hands like Birdman. So I came up with this method because it helps create frizz, but an acceptable amount of frizz when you refresh your wash and go, because you don't want it to look like your leave out don't match your tracks when all of it is your hair. So you want to make sure once you refresh those curls on top, even though you have the frizzier ones underneath, you want to go in on top and do the rubs hands like Birdman, shimmy it down the hair shaft so you can add a little bit of healthy frizz. If you guys try this out, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are following me on Instagram. If you are not, what are you doing? Go ahead and follow me. My Instagram is @SlimReshae, so make sure you check out my page. And guys, never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tipple. Bye guys.